we have our line segment AB. Endpoint A is at negative 4, 3. Endpoint B is at 4, 3. So first, in order to divide line segment AB into 4 segments, we have to find the midpoint of line segment AB, and we'll call it at midpoint C. We have our equation here. X of endpoint A is negative 4, x of endpoint B is 4. Add that up, that's 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0, so the x of midpoint C is 0. Then we have our y. 3 plus 3 is 6 divided by 2 equals 3. So our midpoint C is at 0, 3, as you can see here. Then we will divide, we have two separate line segments, line segment AC and CB. We will find the midpoint of those two line segments. We have our math here. Negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4, divided by 2 is negative 2. 3 plus 3 equals 6, divided by 2 equals 3. So our midpoint for line segment AC is at negative 2, 3, as you can see down here. And then we'll do the same thing for line segment CB. 0 plus 4, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 3 plus 3 equals 6, divided by 2 is 3. So our midpoint for CB is 2, 3. And as you can see here, there's endpoint A, endpoint B, midpoint C, and then the midpoints of those two line segments, D and E. And as you can see, we have divided that into 4 perfect segments of our original line segment. And yeah.